Yo, platinum plug, me walk one.
Haki Data Lab is a non-for-profit organization based in Kenya that collaborates with grassroots organizations to collect, analyze and use data to strengthen advocacy, inform decisions and amplifies voices from the community. We would like that the communities that are truly affected by the injustice to be the ones at the forefront of collecting the data, using their own stories and advocating for change.
The Margins to Matrix project was a research project that was looking at the risks faced by domestic workers, matatu workers and waste pickers based in Nairobi.
We intended from the word go to use a community-led approach in terms of collecting data. So we identified 6 worker researchers who were to assist in collecting data from their own communities. And then we did a co-design workshop together with the 6 worker researchers to design the methodology and data design that would be used to collect and represent the data they collected.
Data for Change has been our partner from the beginning when we started Haki Data Lab, from the conceptualization of the lab to the strategy as well as our theory of change. Why this is so special to me specifically is because almost 10 years ago I was just starting out my journey as an activist. Attended one of Data for Change sprints, and from there I've been able to work on different social justice campaigns that really anchor data. From working with them during COVID-19 to working with them on extrajudicial killings at the coast of Kenya. It's been a journey of working together and the spirit of trust, where Data for Change not only trusts us as social justice activists, but also trusts the communities in which we come from and their ideas. So thank you very much, Data for Change, and we love working with you.
Tukiorganize wa mama wanaweza kuata na red card in that tukienda kufua, unajua mwenye anakuemploy anajua mama fua isili kufua besheni moja ya nguo inakwanga 1500, na hiyo ni kitu imesikizwa na inajulikana, so that people don't take advantage of our vulnerability.
Tunaweza fanya partnership pamoja na Justice Centers na Haki Data Lab ili tuweze kubuild capacity, ndio muweze kujua sheria number 1 inasema nini, na number 2 in case rights zako zimekuwa violated ama unahisi ya kwamba umedhulumiwa, ni vipi ambavyo wewe mwenyewe unaweza pata haki ama unaweza fuata njia gani ili uweze kupata haki.
This data is important for our work as the social justice centers, and specifically Dandora Community Justice Center, because we are just next to the dump site, and of course it's going to really help us in our advocacy work, and also to try and help the community know their rights, their environmental rights, and help them try and organize around that so that Dandora can be cleaner, safer, and a good environment to raise kids.
Research mean a lot to me personally as a matatu worker. Tuna experience vitu mob kwa kazi, so this research imebase kwa vitu zenye zinatu affect in our work sector.
What makes Haki Data Lab so unique is that we turn knowledge that already exists in communities. We turn this knowledge into data that researchers, policy makers, and communities themselves can use to advocate for justice.
For us at Data for Change, it's been so rewarding working with Haki Data Lab and the informal worker researchers. Together, we created a range of outputs, from a number of data policy briefs and an open data set, to creative ways to visualize the data, like reflective vests for the waste pickers, lesos for the domestic workers, and putting the data insights on stickers on and inside matatus. We also created 3 short videos presented by the researchers themselves, where they share the key insights they want the public to understand. These videos will play inside matatus, reaching thousands of commuters in Nairobi every day. And the data even led to a powerful spoken word piece.
Haki haikam bila data. Data ina bring facts, ina bonga more than words, from hassles to hardships, speaking numbers, not in slogans. More power to our people, more power. More power to the waste speakers, more power. More power to the domestic workers, more power.
The event has been awesome. I've loved the way you guys communicate the data. It's not just numbers, but also the way you presented the reflectors, the lessors, the messages on the lessors. So these messages will reach a lot of people, especially the stakeholders and also duty bearers who are supposed to make the change. So it's been an awesome event, and thanks for inviting me.
Informal workers ndio wanafanya hii research kwa sababu hao ndio wanapitia hizi dhuluma, na ninashukuru sana Hakidata walipatia informal workers wenyewe wajifanyie research kwa sababu hao ndio wanapitia hizi dhuluma na wanajua nini inaingia ground, ni nini inaendelea ground.
Viva domestic workers, viva! Viva! Viva matatu workers, viva! Down down na malipo duni down.